Hello and namaste. Welcome to YogaEndless by Anjali Pandey, and today's practice is about when you're feeling unmotivated. Well, feeling unmotivated is pretty natural, it's very human, and my suggestion to you for today's practice is about to stay along with me. Give yourself the permission to not be the best version of yourself today. Yes, don't have any expectations. Be open to not being able to stay with me. Be open to being just very comfortable in trying. The idea of just showing up on the mat is what we need today. Feeling unmotivated is, like I said, human. We have to try to find how can we find the balance in it. Yes, it's just one of the emotions, just how you feel happy, just how you feel sad. Let's find the discipline in between this and let's help us get along with this journey. So I encourage you to come into a very comfortable seated position. Get your eyes in a comfortable, closed state. If you like opening your eyes and staying there with one focus, you can choose to do that. Today's idea is to feel free to be goofy, feel free to be messy, feel free to be all over your emotions, yourself. Allow yourself to wander for today. Give yourself that permission that you've been holding yourself back from. Let's take the short duration to help ourselves feel free and light. Slowly open your eyes and start swaying your shoulders from right to left very gently. If you have a certain set of emotion that you're feeling today, just stay with it. Don't push anything away for today. Stay with what you're feeling and embrace it. Just let the sway go a little more bigger, go all the way side, and then come all the way to the other side. Movement heals, and we need movement in our life. So let's try to get a little more comfortable with moving our body, with whatever emotions we are in, whichever day it is. Yes. From there, I'm just going to encourage you to slowly reduce the pace of the sway and slowly find coming back to that still state. Once you come in center, you'll still feel your body swaying, but you're actually still at one place. Slowly take your left hand on the right knee, look back, turn back as much as you can, and just stay. I always tell my students that when you wake up, there are times when you feel lazy to brush, but you still brush your teeth, right? Just because you're lazy someday, that does not mean that you will not brush your teeth. Exceptions if you actually don't, but yes, brushing our teeth is so natural, and we've been doing this for so many years since we're born that it's so customized. Slowly release and come on the other side. That we're so accustomed of brushing that whatever we're feeling, we embrace that feeling and continue brushing our teeth. In the same way, it's about movement. If you encourage yourself to move regularly on a daily basis with whatever emotions you hold on every day, your body learns to embrace the movement with different kind of emotions. If you're feeling unmotivated for a reason of fear, if it's the reason of fear, okay, release. I will continue talking as you walk your hands down. Yes. Slowly release your head and relax your shoulders. So if you're feeling fear, that fear is about accomplishing certain task. So if that fear is holding you back, I encourage you to go ahead and receive that journey in the way where you can learn from all the failures. If you're lacking motivation due to feeling sad, that means you're just pushing away yourself from the emotion that you should be very open to embracing. It's just another part of you. When you really enjoy a joyful moment and you love how you feel in that joyful moment, you should take a time to embrace when you're feeling sad and low, to stay with yourself. It's just like staying next to your partner and being there for them. Slowly come up, very gently. Lovely. From there, slowly come on to all fours, which is your palms and your knees on the floor. Yes. From here, we're just going to slowly circle. Take your hips all the way back. Now take your shoulders all the way to the left, to the front, keeping the hands straight at all times and circling it around, trying to reach every corner of your room. Just know that whatever you're feeling, you're not alone. Invite yourself to connect. Invite yourself to get to know yourself better. Reverse the direction of this rotation. And invite yourself to embrace. Slowly inhale, go all the way ahead. Slowly exhale, come all the way back. Slowly inhale, go all the way ahead. Slowly exhale, go all the way back. Inhale, go all the way ahead. And exhale, go back all the way into child's pose and just rest there. Relax your head. If you feel like opening your knees, you can do that. Just breathe. From here, slowly come back into all fours. Slowly take your right hand up from the side. Try to reach it all the way up to the ceiling. And then slowly take it through from the hands. Drop your shoulders, bend the left elbow and drop that shoulder. And slowly take this left hand and take it behind your back. Relax it. If you can touch your right thigh from your left hand, that's amazing. Just relax your ears, relax your jaw, melt your shoulders, and just breathe here. I'm recording this video when I'm right next to the river. I have a river flowing right in front of me, and I can connect with this river and breathe with it. So try to find something that you can connect with. It can be an emotion, it can be a feeling, it can be maybe a clock which is ticking very evidently in front of you. It can be the sound of the fan. It can be the best sound of your breath, your inhalation and exhalation. Connect with it. Slowly release your left hand first. And from there, slowly take your right hand back up to the ceiling and release. From there, slowly take your left hand up. Nicely welcoming the universe and wrapping it into your arms to thread it through. Releasing the head, twisting the body, and taking the right hand behind. And release. Relax the head. Relax your face. Let yourself sink with the breath. Feel more connected to yourself. Find yourself creating that bond. Slowly release. And reverse the path all the way up. And relax. From here, you're going to curl your toes and push the knee up. See if you can keep the knees soft. Don't straighten them completely, just soft. If you want to press the heels down, if that's accessible for you, go for it. From there, you're just going to lift the right heel up, press the left heel down. and then bend the left knee, and then bend the right knee, just alternating the knees as we paddle our feet here. Yes, beautiful. Be aware of every movement. Beautiful. And slowly walk your feet ahead as much as you can, and slowly roll up. Beautiful. From here, we're going to do this very important practice, which is called shaking it out. Letting go of everything, not just physically, but also emotionally and mentally. Whatever it is, just shake it out. Bring it up to the surface and let it out. So all you're going to do is you're going to close your eyes. Literally, don't see anyone around you. Don't be ashamed. Be as goofy as you want and shake everything out from your body. So let's do this. Close your eyes. Shake out the hips, shake out the shoulders, shake out the hands, shake out everything. Come on. Let's go. There's no one around you. Shake it out. Shake out that hip. Jump around a little bit. Yes. Go a little more wilder, a little more wilder. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Stand wherever you are. Just breathe. Use your hands to hug your shoulders. Give yourself a good, nice hug. And tell yourself you deserve everything that you believe in. You deserve every inch of happiness, of love and care. Tell yourself you deserve this movement, the movement practice that you're doing for yourself. Give yourself a nice and tighter hug. And gently release the hands. Slowly take your arms all the way up. Take it into a V. Keep your legs wide. Keep your eyes closed. And you see your arms is welcoming the universe with a very wide heart. And slowly release. It's impossible to not feel joy when your arms are right here. It's a place that makes you feel at home. It's the place that makes you feel very welcome. So yes, welcome all the good energy from around you. Let it in you. Release it out. Get it together and relax. Beautiful. I'm so proud of you. I'm really happy to see you till the very end of this practice. And I hope that you're feeling much better right now. I encourage you to listen to yourself, embrace what you're feeling, and see if you feel like going ahead and practicing something more. I very well encourage you to go ahead and do that. Or if you want to go ahead and continue with your day, with your schedule and your work life, wish you all the best for that. And I hope you receive this rest of the day with wide open arms and a big heart and a beautiful smile. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope to see you in the very next one. Have a beautiful day.